Hello guys, welcome to my classes. I have discussed important sections, section 1 to 35 and important order 1 to 20A and their important rule of Code of Civil Procedure in my earlier video, which is part 1. Link is given in description box. Now, today in this video, I am going to discuss important sections, section 37 to 74 and important order 21 and their important rule in part B, and section 75 to 158 and order 22 to 147 and their important rule of Code of Civil Procedure. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. So, let's start now. Sections: Section 37, definition of court which pass a decree. Section 38, court by which decree may be executed. Section 39, transfer of decree. Section 42, powers of court in executing transferred. Now orders. Order 21, execution of decree and order. Important rule is Rule 1, 2, Rule 21, Rule 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, Rule 46A to H, Rule 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Now sections. Section 46, precepts. Section 47, questions to be determined by the court executing decree. Section 51, powers of court to enforce execution. Section 55, arrest and detention. Section 56, prohibition of arrest or detention of women in execution of decree for money. Section 57, substance allowance. Section 59, release on ground of illness. Section 60, property liable to attached and sale in execution of decree. Section 65, purchaser's title. Section 73, proceeds of execution sale to be ratably distributed among decree holders. With Rule 90, 91, 92, 93, 94 of Order 21. Section 74, resistance of execution. Now Part C, Section 75 to 158 and Order 21 to 47 and their important rule. Sections. Section 75, power of court to issue commission. Order 22, death, marriage and insolvency of parties. Their important rule is 1 to 4A, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Section 77, letter of request. Order 23, withdrawal and adjournment of suit. Their important rule is 1, 1A, 3, 3A and 3B. Section 79, suit by or against government. Order 32, suit by or against minor and persons of unsound mind. Their important rule is 1 and 2. Section 80, notice. Section 82, execution of decree. Order 32, suit by indigent person. Their important rule is 1, 5, 10, 11, 11A, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 15A. Section 88, where interpleader suit may be instituted. Order 35, interpleader. Their important rule is 1 and 5. Section 85, settlement of dispute outside the court. Section 90, power to state case for opinion of court. Order 36, special court. Their important rule is 1. 91, public nuisance and other wrongful acts affecting the public. Section 94, supplemental proceeding. Section 95, compensation for obtaining arrest, attachment or injunction on insufficient grounds. Order 37, summary procedure. Their important rule is 1. Order 38, arrest and attachment before judgment. Their important rule is 1, 4, 5 and 11A. Order 39, temporary injunction and interlocutory orders. Their important rule is 1, 2, 2A, 3, 3A, 6 to 10. Order 40, appointment of receiver. Their important rule is 1 and 3. Section 96, appeal from original decree. Section 97, appeal from final decree where no appeal from preliminary decree. Section 98, decision where appeal heard by 2 or more judges. Section 99, No decree to be revised or modified for error or irregularity not affecting merits of jurisdiction. Order 41. Appeal from original decree. Rule 1 to 37. Just read once with Section 97. Section 100. Second appeal. Section 102. No second appeal in certain suit. Section 104. Orders from which appeal lie. Section 107. Power of appellate court. Section 113. Reference to High Court. Order 43. Appeal from decree. Order 46. Reference. Their important rule is 1. Read with Section 113. Section 114. Review. Read with Order 47. Their important rule is 1, 4, 6 and 7. Section 115. Revision. Section 133. Exemption of other persons. Section 144. Application for restitution. Section 148. Enlargement of time. Section 148A. Right to lodge caveat. Section 151A. Inherent powers. Section 152. Amendment of judgment, decree and orders. Section 153. General power to amend. Okay guys, that was the important sections, orders and their rule of CPC. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe.